In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo. We'll walk through the connection process from inside Apollo, then review the main sync settings so your data moves cleanly between both platforms. This setup is especially useful if you want your sales and CRM workflows to stay aligned without having to manually update records. Start by logging into your Apollo account. Once you're in the main dashboard, look for the admin settings area. This is where Apollo keeps your account level configuration options, including connected apps and data sync tools. After opening admin settings, click on integrations. This section shows the external platforms you can connect to Apollo. In the integrations list, find HubSpot and click connect. That will begin the authorization process and send you over to HubSpot. On the HubSpot side, you'll be asked to choose the HubSpot account you want to connect. Select the correct account, then click Connect App to authorize the integration. This approval step allows Apollo and HubSpot to share the data needed for syncing contacts, companies, and related CRM information. Make sure you're connecting the intended HubSpot workspace before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account. Once authorization is complete, return to Apollo and open your HubSpot sync settings. This is where you decide how you want the integration to behave. You can choose a full CRM sync if you want broader two-system alignment, or you can use HubSpot data enrichment if your goal is more focused around improving existing data. Take a moment here to choose the option that best fits your workflow, because this setting affects how records are updated moving forward. Next, configure the field mapping for contacts and accounts. This step is important because it tells Apollo exactly where each piece of information should go in HubSpot. For example, fields like job titles, phone numbers, and company domains should be matched carefully so information flows accurately and ends up in the right place. If your field mapping is off, records may still sync, but the data may be less useful or harder to trust later. You can also use the AutoMap All Stages option to help align Apollo stages with HubSpot statuses. This can save time and reduce manual setup, especially if you want lifecycle or pipeline related values to stay consistent between platforms. Once everything is mapped the way you want, review your settings carefully. A quick final check can help prevent duplicate work and make sure your integration starts off cleanly. After that, your HubSpot and Apollo connection should be ready to support a much smoother workflow.